All right, you want some information about LiveGood probably if you're watching my video. Maybe you haven't joined yet or you're just kicking tires, trying to find, I don't know, maybe 10 or 20 reviews, maybe 500 reviews about this company on Google or YouTube, and there's easily that many available from different people. All I can tell you is I joined about 2 years ago, and so far so good. I've got over 400. I got a total of 417 signed up right now, although my counter says 414. I'm looking at the leaderboard right now as I sit here chatting with you fine folks. But anyway, what I've learned over a 2-year period. Number one, products. I'm a big fan of the products. I don't care if they are an affiliate program or not. I'm buying the products no matter what. Wholesale for $10. I think the ingredients are amazing. They're mostly organic, of course, and they're the most expensive ingredients. And LiveGood's about 30 to 70% cheaper because it focuses on being a wholesale company because it's a membership company. So if you have $10 a month, you're buying wholesale. You can resell the products if you'd like at your gym or out of the back of your trunk or maybe on a Amazon type of thing, or maybe you got a little website that you focus on health, nutrition. You can buy LiveGood hats and little shaker bottles for your protein powders, but all you got to do is invite people to a link. That's all I do if you want to be an affiliate to earn money. It's only $40, two $20 bills, because you don't have to buy any products to earn commissions. That's why I joined as an affiliate. I'm not going to pretend to, I'm not going to spend $200 to $500 to pretend to sell those products, which I can't publicly. If I get caught putting it on an Amazon thing or maybe on a social media platform, the company basically terminates you. That's why MLM companies, I'm like, no way. I'm not into that. And I know they've made billions and trillions of dollars, since Amway in the 30s. So it's almost 100 years old, but I'm not that guy. I don't do the shampoo conditioner thing, sell shampoo for $80 when it's worth $8. I like to invite people to a link, joincory.com, and there's a video. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds that describes the products and the opportunity, everything. There is nothing I need to do other than invite you. And if you join as an affiliate, I want you to do the same thing. Please don't talk about LiveGood. The videos do all that. No one wants to talk to you. No one wants to text. No one wants you to go to their living room. That is 1970, 1980. 5 years ago, might be 5 minutes ago. But I'm not going to your living room. You're not going to mine. If I'm interested in something, you can send it to me in an email. I'll click the link, or maybe you can inbox me. All right, or somehow through social media. But that's how the world is, and you know that. It's a cell phone thing now, right? They look like Pop-Tarts to my old ass. But right now, I got my Samsung, what is this, the S25. I just bought this bad boy Ultra, and I just love it. I can, talk, text. I can get an email. Oh my God, you can even talk on these things. Isn't that crazy? Pretty funny, huh? But it's a cell phone world now. I prefer to work LiveGood on a home computer. I obviously have a desk. I like to lean on it. And I have pen and paper, little Post-it notes, and I have multiple screens in front of me. So if I have Facebook on one page, maybe I have my LiveGood back office open. And then if I want to go to another screen and do a social media post, hey guys, check out LiveGood. I think you're going to like it. And then what do? I invite you to a link. Okay, this is my secret. And if you watch my videos, it's not that big of a secret because I tell everybody what I do for free. I buy these little business cards. I went to Vistaprint, $20 for a big box that'll last me 1 to 2 years. I rounded the corners. I bought I picked the template that was already made of the little red race car because I love cars. I like red with white. Do you see how that card just sticks out? And believe it or not, in person, this red is even brighter. On my screen, it looks a little more dull. But what a beautiful card. And it took me 5 seconds to pick it. And then I picked this white font. I capitalized the J, capitalized the C, because you got to admit, if you're far away, like right now, I'll get about 3-4 feet away from my webcam. You can almost read that joincory.com from 4 feet. Here's about 3 feet. There's 2 feet. But if I put that on a desk, or if someone just looks at this card and says, you know what, Cory, thanks for the opportunity. I'm going to sit home or sit behind my steering wheel or lay in bed, and I'm going to go ahead and click that joincory.com and see what LiveGood's about. And guess what? That's all I do because it goes to this page. Let me just shrink this up. Okay, this is the Live Good capture page. And guys, if you join for only $50 minus 5 cents, $49.95, you get this exact page. You can put whatever you want right here. My nickname is CJ. I go by Cory. You can call me a lot of things, but you can change this anytime, whatever you want. But it's all the same. This handsome guy in blue is going to point to the video. You're going to watch Ben Glinsky, our CEO, just talk about the opportunity. Let him do all the heavy lifting. He talks about the products, the pay plan, the opportunity, everything. And within 15 seconds, usually 30, you can tell if you're in or out. If you just want to buy the products, you can. Just go to livegood.com, just like Amazon or Walmart.com. But if you want to save money and buy wholesale, then be a member for $9.95 a month. Now, if you have an extra $40, one time for life, be an affiliate. I think that's what everyone should do. Okay, why not earn money? Because if you just want to make an extra 50 or $100 a month, which I think is pretty easy, disclaimer, I can't guarantee you'll make that. You might make more or less. I make a lot more than that. Okay, all my Live Good products are basically free, and then I put the other cash in my pocket and I buy crazy things to put on my walls, like Hot Wheels and Lego kits. Okay, pay some bills, get some extra money. Or if you put some time and effort into Live Good, why not grow it into a big thing? There's nothing wrong with making plenty of extra money to pay for your rent, your mortgage, power, cell phone, your kids' lunch money. Buy yourself some cool shoes, upgrade your wardrobe. Everything costs money, right? And it sucks, but it's just the way it's going to be probably another million years. So why not earn some money? You got two $20 bills? I know you do. Pay the $40, become an affiliate. That $9.95 a month, it's awesome because in my case, I spend $9.95 a month to save about $40. Okay? Why pay full price like Walmart, GNC, Amazon? Our products are more dynamic. They're more expensive. They are better, but we're 30 to 70% less because we sell just barely over cost. All right? Whatever it is to cost, put in a container, ship to Jupiter, Florida. You see how much our products cost. You see what the shipping is before you even hit, boom, buy. Everything is above the table. The ingredients, the seals of approval, the cost of wholesale versus retail. Okay, because you want to know, if I spend $10 a month, do I really save? And if you do, then it's a no-brainer. At least if you're going to buy the products, save money. But why not? For $40, come on. At least give it a shot. All you got to do is just tell people, guys, you know what? Live Good seems to be pretty cool. I like it. What I did is I just bought joincory.com. It was $11 at GoDaddy. I bought these business cards from Vistaprint for $20. So for $30, $40, and then I signed up for $50. So for less than $100, I have got a website, a capture page. This handsome guy right here. This does all the work. That video does all the work. It's already recorded. It's signed up over 2 million people already. All right, my business cards, I just hand them out on a street level. I never talk about this business because people zone out. You'll never remember probably 85 to 90% of the stuff I tell you about. If we just talk in person, maybe you'll remember Live Good. Maybe you're into the products, but you'll get tripped up on, what's the pay plan? Okay, now what's the web address again? I mean, there's so many things you just zone out on. Guys, just go to joincory.com. Please put your name and your email address right in there. See right there? And then click that little orange button. Reserve my position. You'll get a nice email from Live Good. Just some information. You can opt out if you want. You don't have to get the email. And if you want to sign up with Live Good, just follow the email. Click it. Get a username, a password. All right, configure it to where you want to get paid every Thursday. And just remember, any product you buy, all right, and see the Super Reds button container right there where my little mouse is? These two are what got me into the business. The Super Greens and the Super Reds. And I also have the organic coffee. I call it the orgasmic coffee. I think it's awesome. Okay. Anyway, just remember, you got 90 days, 3 months. Enjoy the products, guys. If you don't like them, send them back, get your money back. No questions asked. It's the best guarantee you can imagine, right? Okay, that's it. My work is done. All right, I'm on the 10-minute mark. I like to chit-chat with you guys. If you have any questions, Cory at CoryDraper.com. That is my email. You'll find me on Facebook. You can inbox me there if you'd like. And if you're on my YouTube channel, subscribe to it, or you can write me through there as well. I'm pretty easygoing. If I can help you make a decision to join, definitely. Why not? Okay? There's no competition. It's barely 2 years old. All right? We're signing up just an insane amount of people per month. And we're worldwide, 200 countries, almost 2 million people in 2 years. Okay? We still got about probably another, realistically, 5 to 10 million to sign up. And right now, with no competition, just become an affiliate. Everyone's already a member enjoying the products, but be an affiliate for 40. Do what I do. All right, let's bring people in. Come on. Build something nice. Get some side hustle money, as you hear. All right? Or make a ton. Nothing wrong with that, right? Moolah's good. Okay. Thanks, guys, for your time. Like I said, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace and love. All right, you guys have a good day, and hopefully you'll watch some more videos of mine. Thanks, guys. Bye.